BSIDE S20. It is a CATIII600V, CATIII300V multimeter. It is a color LCD display, 9999 count. Battery is 800 milliamp hour, but we open it is inside is 700 milliamp per hour. Weight is 119 gram. Size is 143.4 times 17.9 times 15.7 mm. It is a DC watt 0 to 620 watt. Manual mode. Auto mode is 0.5 watt to 620 watt. AC watt manual mode is 0 to 620 watt. Auto mode is 1 watt to 620 watt. Resistor range is 1 ohm to 10 mega ohm. Capacitor is 0.5 to 6,000 microfarad. Frequency is 10 Hz to 1 kHz. Die test output is 1 watt. Continuity less than 50 ohm may be sound on. It is EMF magnet field tester. If measuring the field about 40 watt per minute, it is a full range display and have a and combine a sound come out. It have a room temperature sensor in the inside. The sensor is 0 degree to 50 degrees C. It have auto off function in 5 minutes. And they have a function key can change to DC, AC, die, EMF, live, and duty cycle and frequency testing. Okay, let's see the meter. And meter come with a box. And that's EMF multimeter. The number is S20. It made in China. A cheap paper box. Okay. And they have a plastic case and a user menu and a protest band for the multimeter. This is the multimeter. And a part of the test lead. The test lead comes with a cap, protest cap, protect the tip. We open it for easy testing the value. And then come with a short type USB-C Type-C USB charger cable. It's not so long. The pump back. Okay, let's see the meter. And then this not like the normal jack. It is a 2 mm input jack. Okay, be careful of this. And let's see the meter. The meter when charging maybe put off the cover. There's have a cover. In the downside, there is a USB Type-C charge port. Let's put in this one for the charging the meter. Okay. And then in the another side they have a flashlight, function key, capacitor key, and the lamp on. Okay, they have a special function of this one, and there's a power on switch. Long part is a power on the meter. Okay, short part is close off. Okay, let's see the meter user menu first. There is a user menu. Now it's in English. Okay, another side is Chinese. And this meter also have a EMF function for testing the microwave leakage normally. And also have a normal function for testing the DC-AC wall and the resistor and the capacitor. Okay, let's see the meter. The input jet back one is in the left side. That's in the right side. They have a power on switch, long part. Long part is power on. And that's have a normal home temperature in cells. And that's a key. This is the function key. Function key can change to the DC, AC, die, EMF, live check, live hot wire check, and then have a function for checking the duty cycle and the frequency. And another switch is a capacitor mode. Subpart this one is a capacitor mode. And it can change the vary and the cells in long part of the capacity mode swing. Long part. That's cells now. And then another function is a flashlight key. Flashlight key maybe turn on the flashlight. Now turn off one part. Okay. Let's see the meter in the normal function which. Now it's in auto. Now we compare the flow for the DC reference voltage. Now, okay, let's see the reference. For the reference voltage, we see the low first. Now it's a 2.5 watt DC. This meter is a so 2.5 watt. There's a problem of this one. For the test tip, this is positive. This is negative. Sorry. Okay, this meter show 2.497 5 watt. It show 4.992 7.5 watt. It show 7.48 10 watt. 10 watt DC is so 9.99. Okay. It's also okay for the DC voltage test. Okay, let's see another function for the AC wall. We take a AC voltage, come here. And this meter cannot change the position. It's automatic. It shows 224.2. It's about 1 watt of the flow. Okay, and then they will show the hertz, and now see the hertz. The hertz are 50. We change the duty cycle for the meter by pressing the switch. Okay, let's see another function. Now see the meter in resistor function in auto mode. It shows 0.8 ohm, about 1 ohm. The cable is short is a 0 ohm, 10 ohm. It shows 9.7. 10.04K. It shows 10.06. 20.02K. It shows 19.95 km. 100.6K. It shows 100.8. 0.5K is so 506 1.997 meg is so 1.988 meg 5 meg is so 4.991 meg 10.87 meg oh, it not show anything. 20.3 meg. It not show anything. Because the resistor ring is max is 10 meg. Sorry. Okay, let's see another function. For the light up the LED test, first we change to the die test mode and test the die first. There's a die. The die output is 0.468 voltage. Okay, let's see the die. It can light up wet LED, yellow, green is already dim, blue also okay, white also okay, but no any reading come out. You see that? No reading come out. Only max is the green, have the voltage output. Green, okay. Okay, let's see another function. For capacitor functions first. Now in capacitor function, let's see, 10 μF is okay. Another one. There's 1,000. There's 1085 or 6. Okay, and then test the continuity. Now is the continuity. In manual mode, one, two, one, one, two. Okay, it's so fast. Now see the sound level. It also so great, about 80 mix. Normal is 75 about. Oh, let's see the in auto mode. Matching not far. 1, 1, 1, 2. If so far there may not respond, and let's see another manual mode. It may be far, a little far, only a little fast than this. Okay, let's see another function. And this meter no NCV function, only a EMF function, and we check the light part hot wire test first. Now see, there's a hot wire. It's so. And neutral no function. Good. Earth no function. Okay. Take another test lead. Another test. Hot wire okay. Neutral no. It's okay. Earth no okay. No function. And I use this one, the EMF function, to test the meter, like the NCV, or part of the test lead first, and try to test. They also have 2 or 3 cm near the magnetic field. For the electric field, maybe sensing, but not the quick. And let's see the cable. It also testing the electric field, because the sensor at the top. And when we touch the cable, there may be a full bar. Its sensitivity is linear, okay. About 2 or 3 cm is okay of this meter. And they have another function. Try it. And that's when we take the data, plus this will maybe have a whole function. Let's see the whole. Now is AC watt. We test the AC now as 220V, and put the switch of this hole. They have a big hole function key display. The data is whole, and the hertz also whole in the on the display. But again, maybe this mean, okay, and okay, this meter function normally finished. Okay, let's see another function. It smart meter just like another smart meter function. If the voltage like in 0.05 watt, in a low watt, there may be display error. There may be display now is a die 0.123 watt, and when we wire up the voltage, the meter say that is 1 watt. Maybe testing in the auto mode. Let's see. Now it's 1 watt. There may be aggressive display the 1.034 volt. When low down, there may be not function. Let's see. Now, about 0.5 volt, there may be changed to the warm message. About 0.467 volt now. Okay. This is just like a normal smart meter. If the voltage is so low, they may not show the accuracy, but be changed to the manual mode. We use the EMF method to test on the normal light switch. It about 1 cm to sense the reading. Touch is a full bar. Okay. Let's see another function. Let's try the microwave testing the meter. When touch the mirror, have a yellow come out. The mid-ring. Now the oven at the power. It also have a little. And only this one can feel the microwave come out a minute. Okay. Meter T down of S20. Before we will remove the plastic cover. There's a cover. And in the outside, on the back side, they have a serial number. We peel off the number. That's a close of the serial number. And then inside they have two screws I opened before. When you remove two of these screws and move the inner side, opener for open this meter. Okay, I opened before because it has to open it. And then this inside have a transparent case. They have two screws for this too. And there's inside no any shielding. Okay. Inside have a large LCD screen and a battery. We open it. The battery. See the battery. The battery is a 700 milliamp 3.7 volt battery, but the user manual say that is 800 milliamp. That not the true of the battery. And then there's IC. They have no number, no any number. And this PTC, no any number. And they have a USB charge controller IC. And this another IC. And more buzzer and a capacitor. 3 of the micro switch. Okay, we try to open the meter now. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws inside it. Okay. Now we will remove the battery first. There's the battery. Okay. Let's see the meter. There's a 2 mm input jack. And there's a USB income. That's inside the case. There's the switch, the top power switch, LED window. Okay, let's see the meter. Nominate IMC and the nominate PTC, USB controller, mini buzzer, and the capacitor. Okay, let's see the another side. Oh, so many components. It's not like normal multimeter. It have so more component, but the component hard to find in normal network. So many components. And the last main IC. Okay, let's open the LCD skin. They have a 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Lawson 4 or screw, they have a cap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cap the skin. Be careful. I open it. You have to open the cap. Okay, one side come out. Only the second side. Okay, the second side also come out, but the southern part may be fixed. The skin, I try to come out. It also hard to come out. Okay, it's separate. There's a huge LED skin. By fixing it in a plastic inside. Okay, try again. It's so difficult. Oh, now open it. You can see. And the downside, they will have a color inside of this one. Okay. In the downside, they have a no any component. No, sorry. Okay. Open, finish. Let's see the meter of the hertz display. This meter say that they have a hertz 10 hertz to 1k hertz. Now as a 50, it display normal. 40 normal. 50 no display. This cannot display the lower hertz. And 20 is display warm. 10 it cannot display with 10 hertz. Okay, rising up. Now about 60 hertz is display normal. Upper 7 60 80 display 81 19 and up 210 is so 212 560 it display 566 rising up 1k hertz 1.26 kHz it no display normal. I lower down this. And when 1.202 kHz, it also show the reading, and this meter cannot display the low hertz. Okay, thank you. The S20 normal charging current is a 0.61 amp. When charging, they have a red light indicate. Okay. When the meter charge up, they may be in a green light. And the temperature before I cannot test. Now see the temperature. It's saying 29.1 Celsius. The temperature sensor of the laser gun is 30.6 Celsius. Okay. Thank you.